Good morning. This is Mr. Burns, CPDLF science instructor, and it is Monday, May 21st, and this is the 37th weekly environmental science launch of the year. Imagine, 37 weeks we've been talking to each other like this. It's also the last week of school. So finish well, keep up the good work. I'm getting lots of work in, and that's good, but I have to urge you to keep up the quality, okay? Some of it is not the best quality. Some of it's being done much too quickly and carelessly and that kind of thing. Pay attention to what every question asks and submit it well. What good does it do to get things in and get zeros on them, okay? Or anywhere near zeros. You won't do well in the course if that happens. So just be sure, get the work in, but do it well at the same time. Okay, let's look at what you got, what we did last week. You did a lab called an environmental science field trip. That was number 62. And you did the review, number 64. Just those two things was all you had. So I hope you use the time to catch up if you were behind. We are getting a lot of work in, so I think many of you are doing that. Another thing I want to say is, I'm getting a lot of requests for help, and some of them just say, will you help me with this? Well, I would be absolutely glad to help you with any lesson, any assignment that's in the course, but you just can't ask for help. I don't know what you need help with unless you give me a specific question, okay? In fact, in this system, in a cyber system like this, I can't explain it any better than the directions do, by writing in the little message box. So what you need to do is get in there and work hard and attempt to do every lesson. Give it your best effort. And if you still have problems, then ask me a specific question in a certain area. Then I'll know what you need and I'll be able to answer you. And I'll be glad to answer you like that. But I must get a specific question, okay, in order to help you. So please be sure to do that. Okay, these lessons have been coming in good this week. Many of you can't do the field trip, but you're doing something in place of it, and that's really good. Okay, you're doing some research on something like that. Just keep it up. Keep doing that up so you can get credit for it. Okay, for this week, you're simply going to take the final exam, number 65. Okay, you only have one thing to do, so be sure to use this time to catch up on all those assignments and projects and things that you're behind on. Okay, and many of you are. Our reflection question for this week is, what is one new thing you learned about environmental science this semester? What's one new thing you learned about environmental science this semester? Okay, that's it. Please let me know if you have any needs this week, and keep on top of the work and keep the quality up. Let's finish well. You've worked hard all year long, so let's not let it down now. Let's finish well. Okay, have a great week. Bye now.